What is up, absolutely everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your house for your crypto repair. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully as soon as having a notable day, folks. It's Thursday, October 17th, midway via today. Hopefully your day is over. I can't wait. I got some softball this night. I still don't know if I were given a double hit or a single hit or what time it is. I better look at that. So I get on top of it. We were given video games. We got the Yankees occurring and the Meds occurring tonight. The markets are looking bullish. We're going to look into what Grayscale is doing because we got any other XRP ETF on the manner are we approximately to see a Litecoin ETF as properly, folks. The ETFs are rolling in, and this is signaling to me that the institutions are getting into this bull cycle in a huge way. Then we're going to talk about the XRP price chart. We touched on it a bit inside the first video today. We're going to touch on it again because I'm going to reveal the last doomsday scenario, something you need to appearance out for and maintain your eyes on if this does play out. So without an addition ado, sit back, loosen up, allow soar right into a Bitcoin 67, 160. It's presently down 0.74% within the beyond 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 2,610. It's presently down 0.02%. USDT and USDC each coming in at 99 cents is XRP. It's up 0.57. It's better than it changed into this morning, coming in at 2.57% in the inexperience within the past 24 hours. I'm just awaiting that 30-day to flip over from purple to inexperienced, parents. Total cryptocurrency market cap, 2 trillion and 318 billion. Look, general cryptocurrency market cap, it is quite simple. Your locked-in goals of 4 to 7 trillion. Can we get above 7 trillion? Yes, we will. We simply want to look at the records as soon as we get in that $4 to $7 trillion range, after which we can take it from there. And we will see wherein we're going to head next. But for now, your assured locked-in goals are sitting between 4 to 7 trillion. Obviously, if institutional cash gets in, we will see the better quit of these numbers for the primary time ever for any NFT project at the XRP ledger. We got a wonderful associate software coming. Here's the hyperlink, click on associate. It will load you onto the affiliate webpage. You can pass ahead. Log up and sign up with an affiliate that is no longer proven efficaciously due to the fact I'm logged in as an admin. I will show you that right now. Let's simply get out of that. Let's get this type of and come over right here, and we're going to click on affiliate once more, and you will be able to see it. You may cross in advance. You may log in, click on right here to sign up in case you don't have an account. Until December 1st, we have doubled the affiliate rate. It's 10%, so each NFT which you sell, otherwise you convey over a new patron, is $16.50 coming into your pocket. Paid out an LTLN token, which is buying and selling on Bitmart for around 20 cents right now. So reflect on consideration on that. You get a bit marketer, you're a sales clerk, you begin assisting as push lux traces, you begin getting paid out for. I recognize different XRP challenge has accomplished this, however we're doing it. We are shifting nearer and closer to bringing the masses over. And recollect, for every NFT which you very own, you earn XRP back every single month. It's a win-win. So we talked about this in the first video. I'm going to recap it out standing short. This is the circulate up. We are searching out an XRP. We're looking at $1.52, $1.75. We are then searching out a pullback into that $1 to $1.40 range. Once that pullback takes place, in an effort to inform us pretty a good deal where XRP goes to do for the remainder of the bull run, what we need to look is, as soon as we get this pullback, is for it to hold that $1 or $1.40 so we can preserve to the upside. What we do now not want to see is this pink line. We do not need to see XRP get to the $1.50 and $1.75 range, then fall underneath that upper white resistance region, which sits between $1 and $1.40. If that doesn't maintain all through the pullback and we pull all of the mana return to about 75 to 90 cents, it isn't always going to be a happy and healthy 2025 for us XRP holders. And these are the two eventualities which can be in play for us. In 2025, as of right now, could the records alternate of root facts, usually adjustments? But with the latest facts, and I instructed you, I would hold you updated because the man Carolina Keefe dispatched this over to me closing night for the live circulation. These are the two situations. We like green. You want to see this green line, play out. If the pink line plays out, it's no bueno. It's no longer appropriate. I have all the religion in XRP. I actually have all the faith in XRP breaking its all-time high. Even if we just reckon all-time excessive from right here, we're looking at a 6x. Nobody can be mad approximately getting a 6x on their asset. Look, the stock marketplace best offers you to an 8 to 10% lower back on year. That's the average return. We are going to do with 600%. No one may be mad approximately yet. That's just information. That's a variety of money to be made. You put in 10,000, you come back out with 60K. You have 100K and you come out with over half 1 million greenbacks. It's a beautiful element. If to procure 1 million invested, you return out on top with 6 million. I understand probably none of us have 1 million invested, but you get the numbers and you get the goals like coin ETF. Subsequent Canary Capital applies for a game changer ETF. So Canary Capital is surely stepping up their ETF sport. They got an XRP ETF. They now applied for a Litecoin ETF. They have an H-bar trust that they implemented for, keep in mind, it's the first stepping stone for an ETF is to get to believe what does the agree with do. It lets in you to measure the demand for an asset. So to have an HBAR out there, a trust, if they see a variety of call for the HBAR agree with, they may follow for an HBAR ETF. Once you get such establishment's approval for an ETF, you'll simply see the relaxation of them bounce on board. Why? Because they do not want to lose out on the amount of money that they may probably be making with the aid of promoting those ETF parents. All it takes is one. That's what we call the snowball impact. Once you get one, the relaxation of them will come flying in. I confirmed the chart the day gone by about the Bitcoin ETF inflows in 2025. We'll be displaying the XRP ETF inflows. The extra institutional cash, the extra ETFs we get, the better the charge that XRP is going to head. And then we get this grayscale. They're going to convert their finances with Solana, XRP, and Avalanche into an ETF. It states grayscale investments. Has requested the SEC for permission to convert its virtual big cap fund, which incorporates Solana, EVAX, XRP into an ETF. It also has Ethereum and Bitcoin in there as properly. This is huge time. This will be the 1/3 ETF that we've got for XRP. I'll say it again, the extra ETFs weave the greater institutional money, the higher the rate will move. Just in Bitcoin. 20 billion entering the Bitcoin ETF. Think about, we had 20 billion into the fee of XRP right now. Where in the charge might be sitting, that is lots of money oldsters, and that is institutional money as average day, every average day, or common Joe. We do not have 20 billion to position into the eight markets. Even though we take each XRP holder out there, which I assume the common XRP accounts bounces like 16 XRP is peanuts. If we take each extra P holder is out there, we nonetheless do not have 20 billion. I don't even assume we have 1 million. So think about that 20 billion entering the rate of XRP via ETFs, what it'll do for the rate. And Dr. Profit says, oh, you to understand why Bitcoin might not go lower than 48,000 ever again. He says the Golden Bull segment took place at the Bitcoin broke above 48,500 following the Bitcoin ETF approval. That's whilst we noticed Bitcoin for the first time ever smash its all-time high before halving. This marked the access of BlackRock investors in the traditional monetary area into Bitcoin. The phases variety in among $48,000 to $74,000. Remember, my key quantity for Bitcoin is $74,000, which would maintain to the next segment up of this bull run. They will not go upside down on their investment. That's the bottom. Look, I told you we got that hole down there. If the space does get filled, it is going to be a brief down and then a quick up. And what it's simply going to do if that hole does get filled is flushed out all of those longs that people have obtainable on Bitcoin right now. The Bitcoin pump is coming, parents. It is right around the nook. And then we get this another. Look, this is conflicting. Article statements, news releases what the SEC absolutely has to head on approximately the appeal. Someone's announcing that they filed it on the second one, which means that they are the deadline need to have a rise already, which you ought to have felt it the day gone by. Some human beings are pronouncing it as Friday. I don't know. I'm not worried on this, the legal aspect of factors of whilst the filings actually do. I haven't any idea but what I can inform you to play it safe. Give it to the end of day on Friday, not the quit of the work day, no longer to close the commercial enterprise. However, the stop of the actual day, so the SEC doesn't document this with the aid of day after today at 1:59 p.m., then they miss